Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Samatha Learn and Grow. In this video, we are going to learn addition and subtraction by using big friends formula. Plus 2 is equal to minus 8 plus 10 plus 20 is equal to minus 80 plus 100. Before going into the video, please subscribe my channel so that you will be getting more updates about the subject. Okay, it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, now let us start. Clear the scale. First one, 29 plus 12 minus 31 plus 25. 29 plus 12. In the tens place rod I have added one bit, but coming into the ones place rod I am not having two bits to add. So what you have to do, you have to use the plus 2 big friends formula. What is plus 2 big friends formula? Less 8 add 10. Got it? Minus 31 plus 25. What is the answer now? 35. Clear the scale. Next, second one, 45 plus 52 plus 21 minus 13. 1 3 13. Okay, 45 plus 52 plus 21. In the tens place rod I am not having two bits to add. So what I should do? I should use plus 20 formula, plus 20 big friends formula. What is that? Minus 80 plus 100. Next 1. In the ones place rod 1 is available, so I have added directly. Next minus 13. 1 3. I have removed 1 in the tens place rod, 3 in the ones place rod. So I have removed 13. So what is the answer now? 105. 105. Got it, friends? In the next sum, 91 plus 25 minus 11 plus 32. 91 plus 25. See, again in the tens place rod 20 is not available for me. So what I have to do? I have to use the plus 20 big friends formula. Less 80 add 100 and 5. In the ones place rod 5 I will add directly. Next minus 11. Next plus 32 plus 32. So what is the answer now? 137. Next, 63 plus 15 plus 12 plus 30. Sorry, minus 30. 63 plus 15 plus 12. In the tens place rod 1 is available, so I have added 1 in the tens place rod. But coming into the ones place rod, 2 bits are not available for me. What I should do? I should take big friends formula plus 2. Plus 2 is equal to minus 8 plus 10. Next minus 30. Minus 30. What is the answer? 60. Clear the scale. Coming to the fifth sum. 99 minus 11 plus 22 plus 75. 99 minus 11 plus 22. In the tens place rod I am not having bits to add. 2 bits to add. So what I should do? I should take plus 20 big friends formula. Minus 80 plus 100, and in the ones place rod also I am not having 2 bits to add. So what I should do? Plus 2 big friends formula. What is that? Minus 8 plus 10. Next 75 plus 75. 75. What is the answer now? 185. Clear the scale. 35 minus 20 plus 63 plus 12. 35 minus 20 plus 63 plus 12. In the tens place rod 1 I can add because the beads are available, but in the ones place rod 2 beads are not there to add. So what I should do? I should take big friends formula plus 2. Plus 2 is equal to minus 8 plus 10. What is the answer? 90. Now coming to the seventh sum. Clear the scale. 72 plus 25 plus 21 minus 15. 72 plus 25 plus 21. In the tens place rod 2 bits are not available to add 20. So what I should do? I should take big friends formula plus 20. What is that? Plus 20 is equal to minus 80 plus 100 and 1. In the ones place rod I can add directly because the bits are available for me. Next minus 15. 15. What is the answer? 103. 103. Clear the scale. 69 plus 22 minus 21 plus 25. 69 plus 22. In the ones place rod, 2 bits are not available for me to add. So what I should do? I should take plus 2 big friends formula. What is that? Minus 8 plus 10. Next minus 21 plus 25. What is the answer now? 95. Clear the scale. 78 minus 20 plus 32 minus 20. 78 minus 20 plus 32 means in that ones place rod 2 bits are not available. So what you have to do? You have to take plus 2 formula. What is plus 2 big friends formula? Minus 8 plus 10. Next minus 20. What is the answer now? 70. Okay friends, done with the sums plus 2 and plus 20 big friends formula. In the next video, let us see plus 3 and plus 30 big friends formula. Bye. Take care friends.